ስፖርት ይሰራ ውሃ ከጠጣ እሺ ልጀምር Hey, what's up guys? This is Unique English Basics guys. How are you? How's everything going with you? Today I'm going to teach about this get no master bro. So like get no ዛሬ get ይላል get ሲባል እንግዲህ ማግኘት ብቻ ብላችሁ እንዳትፈቱ Get is to mean obtain. But see, obtain. Let's see, obtain. But see, magnet. For example, I get knowledge from my teacher. Say, I get knowledge, but in dark. That actually, if you told me, in dark, I get knowledge. But see, I get knowledge.
I get knowledge.
From whom? From my teacher.
From my teacher.
Yeah, I get knowledge from my teacher, right? So let's see, get still obtain. ወይ ማግኘት ምትል ትርጉም አላት ማግኘት and the other meaning of get is arrive ምን ማለት ይሆናል እሺ arrive በርሲ
arrive
መድረስ ይሆናል ኦኬ በስደስ ደውልልኝ በርሲ call me በርሲ
when you arrive
ዳራሂን ጌትን ተጠቀም እንጂ call me when you get home when you get home በስደስ ደውላለሁ በለኝ እስቲ I'll call you when I get home. Say it again.
I'll call you when I get home.
I'll call you when I get home. Say, I'll call you when I get home.
I'll call you when I get home.
I'll call you when I get home. All right. I'll call you when I get home. Call me when you get home. Say it again. Call me when you get home.
Call me when you get home.
What about this one? Get means ስለዚህ ምን ማለት ነው? arrive መድረስ ምትል ትርጉም አላት። I'll call you when I get home. ቤት ስደርስ ደውልልሃለሁ ትላላችሁ። ስለዚህ get ምትለው arrive ወይ መድረስ ምትላለች ማግኘት ምትል ትርጉም አላት። ሌላው get ይላል receive ምን ማለት ነው? receive በልሲ
receive
መቀበል ማለት ነው። መቀበል I'm getting call በልሲ I'm getting a call በልሲ
I'm getting a call.
I'm getting a call እየተደወለልኝ ነው ስልክ ምናምን ስትል ያናገር ከሆነ ምን ትላለህ ማለት ነው I'm getting a call but say hey I'm getting a call from whom like ማን ነው I'm getting a call from
my father
yeah I'm getting a call from my father all right ከአባቴ እየተደወለልኝ በቃ ያናገር ከሆነ you're receiving a call right I'm getting a call from my father right so what is the meaning of get receive ይሆናል ማለት ነው receive all right this is very important And the other meaning of get is to mean to become. Become, but see?
Become.
መሆን ማለት ነው. Get fat, but see? Get fat.
Get fat.
ምን ማለት ነው get fat? ወፍራም መሆን ማለት ነው. ወፈር. All right, do you understand me? I'm getting fat, but see? የወፈርኩ ነው, but see? I'm getting fat, but see? Hey!
I'm getting fat.
ውሶ ሲናገር I'm becoming fat ነው የሚለው አይደል? It's okay to say that. But you know like when you say I'm getting fat, your English is a little bit advanced than I'm becoming fat. So you say I'm getting fat. Say I'm getting fat. Yeah, ስለዚህ get ማለት መሆን ይሆናል ማለት ነው. So the word get has got a different meaning. This is not the only meaning of get. The word get has got a different meaning depending on the context that it is used. Therefore, አሁን ይሄንን ላይ ጀነራል ይሆን ዋና ሚኒንጎችን ይሄን ከነገርኳችሁ በኋላ አሁን ደግሞ ከጌት ጋር የሚሄዱ ነገሮችን አብሬ ያስተምራችኋለሁ. Don't go anywhere. እሺ የትም ቦታ እንዳትሄዱ. All right. Okay, the first thing is get jealous. በሲ get jealous በሲ ቀናተኛ መሆን ማለት ነው አሁን እየቀናው ነው በርሲ I'm getting jealous በርሲ
I'm getting jealous
say it again
I'm getting jealous
because of what I'm getting jealous of what you can say my wife all right I'm getting jealous of her right በሷ እየቀናው ነው I'm getting jealous of him በሱ እየቀናው ነው I'm getting jealous of right so to get jealous means to become jealous ቀናተኛ መሆን ማለት ነው you guys are you getting jealous of somebody Hey, I want you to write your example sentences. I am getting jealous of somebody. Right? I want you to write. And it's so funny. I'm getting jealous of you. I'm getting jealous of my wife. I'm getting jealous of, my friend. I'm getting jealous of this guy. So to get jealous means to become jealous. Right? ቀናተኛ መሆን መቅናት ማለት ነው so get jealous በርሲ get jealous say it again get jealous በርሲ አሸናፊ በልበል አሸናፊ ይመቸኛል በርሲ get jealous በርሲ አንዳንዴ እስቲ እንትን ልበላቸው እንትን ሻይ ቢጤ ነው አናፋር ያደርገዋል እንዳልክ all right okay so see በርሲ see እንዳልክ
get jealous
all right okay get በርሲ get drunk እስቲ get drunk በርሲ What is the meaning of drink? አሁን ለምሳሌ I'm getting drunk ካልክ I got drunk but see I got drunk የዚህ ፓስት ቴንስ ማን ነው? የጌት ፓስት ቴንስ ማን ነው? ጋት ነች። እቺ ነች አይደለም? ስለዚህ ሰከርኩ በል እስቲ አይጣልብህ። እሺ አይ ጋት በል እስቲ
I got drunk.
ድራንክ ሰክሬያለሁ ማለት I got drunk ሰክሬያለሁ I got drunk say I got drunk
I got drunk.
say it again
I got drunk.
I've got drunk like for example if I call you and they hey how are you how's everything oh what's up what's popping with you what's the problem you know got drunk all right so I've got drunk means ሰክሬያለሁ ነው I got drunk or see I got drunk
I got drunk.
Ashnaf I got a question have you ever got drunk say yes or no
Yes.
Yes, how many times? You know, how many times? How many times? You know, get to do it. Toy with that. This come to me. All right. We TikTokish. So I got drunk. I got drunk.
I got drunk.
So, hey, have you ever got drunk? Secretary Kalle? Yeah, so many times. Yes or no? Oh my gosh. Huh? Yes, እናት ታዲያ እኮ Okay, that's it. ስለዚህ እቺ ጌት ምን ማለት ነው? ኤክስፒሪየንስ ማድረግ ትሆናለች ማለት ነው። ራይት ኤክስፒሪየንስ ቱ ቢካም ቱ ኤክስፒሪየንስ የሚል ትርጉም አላት ማለት ነው። አንደርስታንድ አድርገኛል?
Yes.
ኦልራይት ሶ ጌት በልሲ ጌት በልሲ ጌት ቤተር በልሲ ጌት ቤተር
Get better.
say get better
Get better.
hey get better
Get better.
I'm getting better በልሲ I'm getting better
I'm getting better.
ማለት አሁን ለምሳሌ the economy of my country is now getting better እየተሻለው ነው ማለት ነው። the economy is getting better right
Yeah.
the economy of the country getting better or getting worse እየባሰበት ወይስ እየተሻለው ነው?
It get worse.
It's getting worse. You sure it's getting worse or getting better?
For me, get better.
It's getting better now?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. The economy of the country is getting better, right? Okay, everything is becoming more expensive, man. All right, so maybe he lives somewhere, right? It's getting worse, man. So getting better, but it's getting better.
Getting better.
ስለዚህ እየተሻለው ነው ስትሩ አንድ ነገር it's getting better ትላላችሁ። አሁን ቢዝነስ ብላችሁ ቢዝነስ እንዴት ነው ብላችሁ wow it's getting better ትላላችሁ አይደል? እየተሻለው ነው so it's getting better ትላላችሁ። okay so እየተሻለው ነው see it's getting better but see it's getting better it's getting better እንጂ እንዳልክ it's getting better
It's getting better.
it's getting better right እየተሻለው oh it's getting better thanks it's getting better all right that is it and what about get worse እስቲ get worse በሉ see
Get worse.
say it again
Get worse.
እየባሰው ነው ስትሉ ደግሞ get worse ትላላ it's getting worse በሉ እስቲ it's getting worse
Get worse.
how's the situation in my country I think it's getting better now and what about the economy the economy is getting worse yes or no the economy is what getting worse ትላላችኋል how's his health ጤናው እንዴት ነው oh it's getting worse በጣም እየባሰው ነው it's getting worse oh it's getting better right so getting better is the opposite of getting worse አይደል ተቃራኒ ነው ማለት ነው getting better or get better is the opposite of get worse right yes or no so how is your economy your personal economy is it getting better or getting worse
It's getting better.
It's getting better.
Yes.
All right. He's pretending, faking. All right. So I mean, of course, camera ላይ የለሽም ያውቁብሽ ነበር. All right. Okay. So getting worse. What's it getting worse? Ashanafi, how's your economy? Is it getting worse or getting better? I think, yeah. Come on. Yeah. Is it getting better or getting worse? I'm just talking about your personal economy. Is it getting worse or getting better?
Getting better.
Yeah, it's getting better.
Yeah.
Okay, so like I mean, like we are really lucky. Yes or no?
Yeah,
all right, so that is it. That's it. Huh? Get well, but see ደግሞ get well. መሻል ማለት ነው። እሺ get well ማለት ነው መሻል። አሁን ለምሳሌ ሰው ሲያመ I hope you will get well soon ትላላችሁ አይደል? get well soon በሉኝ እስኪ ቶሎ ይሻል በሉኝ እስኪ ጥሩ ምኞት ተመኙልኝ። በእርግጥ አላመኙ get well soon በሉ እስኪ get well soon.
Get well soon.
I wish you to get well soon ካላችሁ ታንድ ሰው ቶሎ እንዲሻለ እመኛለሁ ማለት ነው። For example, if somebody is saying that I'm so sick, I'm really like suffering ቢላችሁ get well soon አላችሁት ምን ማለት ቶሎ ይሻለ ስለዚህ I wish you to get well soon. Yes or no? All right, I wish you to get
Well soon.
well soon. All right, that's it. What about like if I say these things like number 6 is get well soon. What is it? Get well soon. Get well? Well soon. All right. What about this thing? Get old. What is it? Get old. what is the meaning of get old አሸናፊ what is the meaning of get old እያረጁ መምጣት ማለት ነው እስቲ አሁን ለምሳሌ እያረጀ ነው በለኝ እስቲ
you are getting old
you getting old በለኝ እስቲ you getting old
you get old
say it again you getting old የሰይጣን ጆሮ ይደገፍ I'm not getting old ትላለህ ይደፈንበት እሱ ትላለህ I'm getting younger ትላለህ ስለዚህ like oh like what's up በለኝ what's up you getting old አይባልም እንደዚህ ይባላል እንዴ do people feel good when you say you getting old ስትሏቸው ደስ ይላቸዋል ደርጅና እኮ እየጨመረ ነው ስትሏቸው do people feel good
no
they don't feel good don't say that that's something which is awkward it's not a good thing to say you getting old I'm sorry like ጠላት ነው በእውነት ጠላት ነው ይሄ ጸጋን የገፈፈው አረ ዝም በል እንዴ ያረጀ ነው ማለት ምን ማለት ነው እርጅና ዜሪስ ምን እንዴ ይቀልዳል እንዴ ጉልበት እያለቀ ነው እያለኩ get I mean like እንዳልክ do you feel good when somebody says you are getting old ቢልህ do you feel good ያረጀ ነው ቢልህ እንዴ እኔ ስድብ ነው አይደለ but you are getting younger ስትሉት ወጣት እየሆንክ ነው ስትሉት ምን ትሉታላችሁ you getting young ማለት you getting young get young ማለት get young get young ማለት get young ለምሳሌ አሁን ጧት አንዱ ምን መሰለህ አዳምጠኝ እንዳልክ like you see some friends who are normally old የሆኑ ሰዎች አይተህ ከሆነ በቃ እነዚህ ከዛ ጧት ሊዶ እንደዚህ ሸክ ብሎ ተስተካክሎ ጸጉሩን ምናምን እንደዚህ ጺሙን ተስተካክሏት ይችላጭ ታርጎ ስቲም ገብቶ ሲመጣ ዋው you got it younger ትላለህ ምን ሆንክ ያልከው ነው ምን ይሆንክ ነው ያልከው ነው ወጣት ወርክ እኮ you're getting young ትላለህ right you are getting young say you're getting young you see
you're getting young
so which one is good like you getting young or you getting old is good huh
you getting young
እንዴ ይሻላል እንደዛ በሉ ነው right so ስለዚህ እቺን ደግሞ እቺን አንድ የተመዳተሩ የተሰላቸ ሰው ካለ don't go anywhere all right look get older and older when you see እስቲ እቺን ደግሞ አንድ ላይ ያይዟት እስቲ አትል ደገምኳት get old የሚለውን ኮምፓራቲቭ ዲግሪ አድርጉና get older and older በልሲ አሸናፊ get older and older you are getting older and older በልሲ hey
you're getting older and older
you are አለኝ getting older and older ማለት ነው ከቀን ቀን እያረጀህ ነው ማለት ነው ርጅና እየጨመረ ነው you're getting older and older but see you're getting older and older እሺ ከቀን ቀን ደግሞ ወጣት እየሆንክ ነው በል እስቲ you're getting young የነበረውን ኤአር ጨምርበት younger and younger በል እስቲ ሁለት ያርገው you're getting younger and younger see እንዳል say you're getting younger and younger but see ደግሞ ከቀን ቀን ደግሞ እንዳለ በቃ እንደዚህ በቃ እንደ እየወፈረ ቢመጣ ሰው ምን ትለዋለህ you are getting fatter and fatter right ከቀን ቀን ውፍረት እየጨመረ it's not a good thing again to say እንደው ለእንግሊዘኛው ነው all right ለድምቀቱ እንጂ never say you are getting fatter and fatter it's going to be something which is offensive for like listeners አይደል offense ያ ነገር offend ያደርጋል ማለት ነው right so getting younger and younger see ሙቀት እየጨመረ ነው see ሙቀት እየሆነ ነው በሉ እስቲ it's getting hot በል እስቲ it's getting hot outside በል እስቲ it's getting hot say it's getting hot outside ሙቀቱ ከቀን ቀን እየጨመረ ነው በል ከቀን ቀን it's getting hotter እንደ ባል እንጂ it's getting hotter and hotter ራሱን ድገሙት እኮ አልኳችሁ it's getting hotter and hotter say it's getting hotter and hotter ስትሉ ሙቀቱ ከቀን ቀን እየጨመረ ማለት ነው do you understand me it's getting hotter and hotter oh my gosh so like እቺን ስለዚህ end ብዬ ኮምፓራቲቭ አድርጌ ስደግማት ከቀን ቀን እንደዚህ መሆኑ ለመናገር ነው ማለት ነው am I clear all right and then the word again like I'm in 6 7 8 the word get can go with the word dark እስቲ እየጨለመ ነው በለኝ እስቲ አሸናፊ it's getting dark በለሲ እየጨለመ ነው በለሲ it's getting dark I can't go outside can I go to the shop bring me some food no, I'm sorry like it's getting dark I'm scared yes or no I'm scared በለሲ ፈርቻለሁ I'm scared it's getting dark outside I can't go right I'm scared so to get dark means መጨለማ መሆን ማለት ነው yeah it's good are you scared of darkness You're not scared of darkness? Ashenafi, are you scared of darkness?
No, I'm not.
Yasfaral chalama? You're not scared of darkness, right?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
I think like
it depends on the place.
It depends on the place. if there's jungle or something. This time in Addis Ababa, not in Addis Ababa, in Ethiopia, whether it is dark or within the daylight, you know, like even you suspect your shadow, man. People are not free just to move. So like not only darkness this time, like you're afraid of anything. Yes or no? So get dark, we'll see, get dark. Get dark, we'll see. So let's it's getting dark. Say?
It's getting dark.
Say it again.
Getting dark.
It's getting dark. Say it's getting dark. It's getting it's getting what? Dark. It's getting dark. Say it's getting dark.
It's getting dark.
Okay, it's getting dark. Okay, እሺ በጣም እየቀዘቀዘ ነው አየሩ በርስ ውጭ ላይ
It's getting hot.
እየቀዘቀዘ ነው በሉ
Cold.
It's getting cold but it's getting cold.
It's getting cold.
Say it again.
It's getting cold.
It's getting cold.
It's getting cold.
Huh?
It's getting cold.
It's getting cold. Say it's getting cold.
It's getting cold.
ምን እያለ ነው? እየቀዘቀዘ ነው። እንኪ በፍጥነት እየቀዘቀዘ ነው በሉ It's getting colder and colder በሉ
Yeah, it's getting colder and colder.
ከቀን ቀን ምን እያለ ነው ማለት ነው? እየቀዘቀዘ It's getting colder and colder, right? It's getting colder and colder. ለራስህ ከሆነ ግን I'm getting cold ትላለህ። እስኪ በሉ I'm getting cold. I'm freezing በሉ I'm freezing.
I'm freezing.
I'm cold.
I'm cold.
I'm getting cold.
I'm getting cold.
በረደኝ የበረደኝ I'm getting cold. I'll bring me my jacket ምናምን ትላለህ ማለት ነው. Right? I'm getting cold, alright? So like ከማን ጋር የሚሄዱ ናቸው ማለት ነው እነዚህ? ከማን ጋር ይሄዳሉ ማለት ነው? አሸናፊ ከጌት ጋር ማለት ነው. Right? So that like get አሁንም ማግባት ስትራም get married በሉ get married ማግባት ማለት ነው. Get married. Say I'm going to get married በል ላገባ ነው በል I'm going to get married አሸናፊ አታገባም በል ግን ዝም ብለህ በለው እነሱ ይስሙ አያገባም እሱ ይቆያል I'm getting married በል I'm getting married.
I'm getting married.
All right, yeah, are you getting married this year?
No.
Not getting married this year. እንዴ ተቆጣብኝ እንዳልክ ተቆጣ you getting married ስል ፊቱን ሌላ ላይሆን ያስመሰለው ፊቱን እንዴ ምን ሆነ ነው በሰላም ነው እንዴ all right so say it again okay are you getting married this year?
No.
I'm not getting married this year. What about you?
No,
I'm not getting married this year.
I'm not even get married.
Even within this like 5-6 years even?
Of course.
All right, okay, እንዳልክ እንደፈለግ. All right, okay, so get can go with ስለዚህ አግብቻለሁ ስትሉ እቺ ጌትን ምን ታረጋ got ትላላችሁ got married ትላላችሁ got married. Say got married. I got married but see I got married አግብቻለሁ ማለት ነው ማለት ነው I got married. Say it again. I got married ስትሉ አግብቻለሁ ማለት ነው I got married ምክንያቱም አሁን እዚህ ጋር ስለዚህ የጌት ፓስት በሙሉ እዚህ ጋር ምን ላርጋት got አረጋታለሁ ማለት ነው yes ነው got married እዚህ ጋር ስለዚህ የነበረችው got jealous I got jealous ወለሲ ቀንቻለሁ ማለት I got jealous ሰክሬያለሁ ድረስ I got drunk I got better or it got better ስለዚህ ማን ታረጋታላችሁ got ታረጋታላችሁ past tense ቶን ማለት ነው you got like this is unique English basics with Hari. How are you? How's everything? Are you subscribing to my YouTube channel? Like share ያረጋችሁ ነው Don't forget to keep notes again. Like anybody who is interested in learning online classes, call me. And then if you're interested to learn like face-to-face classes, we are located at CMC Michael, where where Zaman Bank is located. And then it's in front of Gast building, right? We are just now at 8th floor. Come and learn with us. Don't forget it. And then again, love you, and leave you.